Welcome to part 3, series 3 of A Jamaican Mom living in Canada, cooking and prepping for my son's birthday party. Now, if you never see the first, with part 1 and part 2, you can go back and check those out after watching this one. But this is the day of the party where we'll be starting the ball going with cooking the curry goat first. This curry goat was seasoned and marinated from the night before, So now it's time to start, cook it up just right. Although my son decided that he wanted an Italian themed birthday food dinner with Alfredo pasta and grilled chicken and pizza and all these things, as a big back Jamaican mom with some big back friends, we have to infuse our Jamaican culture in this. So I added some curry goat and rice and peas to the menu, and I find these grouper fish head in the fridge, and I'm going to make some grouper head soup because the weather cold, and what Jamaican function we can have, I want to have little soup to warm up the stomach, right? So of course today I add a bubble of pot of soup in the meantime. So this was my grouper fish head soup. Have you had grouper fish head soup before? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see the full video of how I made it, let me know in the comments. Now I'm starting off my chicken. I'm going to get the chicken going, put it in the oven while I'm assisting, or my little helper is assisting me in doing the appetizers. He did all the appetizers, guys. He did such an awesome job. This other boy is something else. No, that's the rice and peas bubbling. And he assigned his big sister to do all of the decorations from the night before she started, and she had to wrap up the day off. And my rice and peas will be going in the oven. That's the appetizer table where we did all those appetizers, right? And that's my husband. He was assigned to the drink station, so he had his chore. We all had a part into this, and I was so happy that we were able to pull this party off just the way he wanted. No, listen guys, me never put in the rice and peas yet, never take it out of the oven, and the other tray was for the vegetable. Yes, we had salad. Okay guys, now let me know what you think. How did we do? And let me know in the comments what was missing from this party. I don't think anything was missing for him. He had an awesome time.